Hello to all Jiv, that is living beings out there. Welcome to Ekta Jiv. This channel is dedicated to all Jiv around you. Today, let's create hanging cartoon showpiece. Before we proceed, do subscribe to Ekta Jiv and click the bell icon to get instant updates. Let's begin. We will need 5 by 15 centimeter paper, 2 papers of size 2.5 by 4 centimeter, craft wire, acrylic colors, paint brush and molding clay. First, knead the clay well and make a cone from 5 by 15 centimeter paper. Now take some clay and make it flat. Once the clay sheet is ready, join the clay to cone and make it uniform. Let it dry. Repeat the same process with 2 paper sheets. Now take a paper pipe and cut the pipe to make hands. Join the clay to paper pipe. Now take a clay and make a clay ball and keep it aside. Let it dry. Take 2 small cones and join it with craft wire. Join the wire in this way. Similarly, join hands with wire and keep it aside. Now, take the clay ball and join eyes, ears and nose in this way. Get some colors and color. It's done. Let the color dry and join all parts together. Our hanging cartoon showpiece is ready. If you like the video, do give thumbs up and comment below. And before you sign off, don't forget to share video to all Ektajiv around you. Stay tuned for more such miniature and craft ideas. See you soon with a brand new video. Till then, tata, bye bye, sayonara.